Welcome to the ultimate destination for all things entertainment. Get ready for exclusive access to the hottest movies, shows, music, and everything in between. From blockbuster premieres to behind-the-scenes action.
Justin Baldoni's $400 million lawsuit against Blake Lively and Ryan Reynolds dismissed by federal judge. How we got here. The Blake Lively and Justin Baldoni drama is a he-said-she-said case heard around Hollywood, with accusations flying on both sides. Lively and Baldoni are entangled in a legal battle over what may or may not have happened on the set of their Colleen Hoover adaptation, It Ends With Us, with Lively accusing her director and co-star on the film of sexual harassment and a subsequent retaliatory campaign against her. Since then, the two have communicated through warring legal teams and the press as they head toward their March 2026 court case. Baldoni has denied all allegations and said that Lively's claims were false and designed to help Lively gain creative control of It Ends With Us. In response to Lively's allegations, which were reported by the New York Times and included texts between Baldoni and members of his team, he filed a $400 million countersuit against the actress, her husband Ryan Reynolds, and their publicist Leslie Sloan. The lawsuit alleges defamation and extortion, as well as a separate $250 million defamation suit against the New York Times. But on June 9th, Judge Louis J. Lyman threw out Baldoni's lawsuit, ruling that the statement at the center of the suits were either privileged or lacked the necessary legal basis for defamation. Baldoni's team may amend certain claims and refile by June 23rd. In a statement at Deadline, Lively's lawyers Ezra Hudson and Mike Gottlieb called the ruling a total victory and a complete vindication for Lively, as well as Reynolds, Sloan, and the New York Times. As we have said from day one, this $400 million lawsuit was a sham, and the court saw right through it, they said. We look forward to the next round, which is seeking attorney's fees, treble damages, and punitive damages against Baldoni, Sarowitz, Nathan, and the other Wayfarer parties who perpetrated this abusive litigation. It's all very messy, and with the case headed to court in March 2026, there's almost certainly going to be more that will unfold. But how did It Ends With Us go from being a highly anticipated adaptation of a popular book talk novel to being one of the entertainment industry's biggest rifts to date? Here's what to know. Lively and Baldoni star together in 2024's It Ends With Us, based on Hoover's 2016 romance novel about a woman breaking out of a cycle of domestic violence. Baldoni, who initially got the rights to the book through a production company, Wayfarer Studios, also directed the film, while Lively was also an executive producer on the project. When the movie came out in August 2024, fans noticed that Lively and Baldoni, who played a couple in the film, did not do interviews together or pose for photos at the movie's premiere, fueling speculation that there was a rift between the two.